everybody. Today I am really excited because I'm going to be opening Maryllen's refrigerator set. And I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys it. And so, it's in this box. Refrigerator out of the box. So first I'm going to be showing you the refrigerator by itself. So as you can see in the front, it's pink and this whole thing is made out of metal, as you can see. And it has this silver thing right here, and it says American Girl with a star. And here's the handle where you open the fridge in like that. And so you can see here's the fridge. And this is actually bigger than you think it is in the person. It's very big. And this pink and blue matches the colors in Maryllen's diner in the mall. So I'm going to be trying to put this in there. And so over here, we have a container where there's a bunch of eggs. And they cannot come out like so, but they are made out of like plastic, and there's 2 more compartments so you can put anything on there and anything you want on there. And then here we have this shelf where you can put anything in there. Then up here we have this compartment where it says freezer, and it has this handle so you can open this up, and here's the freezer. So you can see there's a little compartment where you can put some stuff where that goes in the freezer, and then here's the compartment where you can put stuff in here. And then here there's like some knobs and this turning majiggy thing to like temperature the heat and all that stuff. But it doesn't actually turn. And here is a compartment, or like a little compartment where you can store some of the stuff that's in the freezer. Then you can close back in. And then here you have these shelves in the refrigerator where you can put anything. Then here we have a compartment where it says produce. And so here's the compartment that comes out, and it can come out all the way, and you can put anything in here. But this set doesn't come with any of a produce, so really it's going to be empty with the whole set by itself, but you can add some. You can put some fruits or vegetables in the produce if you have any. And so that is the inside of Maryllen's refrigerator. And it is very heavy. So here's a spin. And on the back is just plain white with screwdrivers. And it's very heavy. Now I'm going to show you all the stuff that it comes with. First, it comes with this stand where you can hold the trays in. Like these trays, they're gold with the design in the middle, and you can put them in a correctly spot. Wait, yeah, this is the stand where you can put the trays on, like that. And then it comes with these other stands where you can stand these trays, and you have to like just put them together where these compartments are. You try to snap it in the correct spots where they're supposed to be. And there we go. Then on the other side, like that, and then there's a little stand for your tray to put some food on there. And then you have 2 of them, so you have another tray, but I'm not gonna do it right now. And then it comes with these jars that are have some food in it. And so this is relish in a jar. And by the way, it can't open, it's just like a plastic jar. Then it has grape jelly, English mustard, and strawberry jam. Then it has this cool ice maker compartment majiggy. And so if you pull this, ice will come out. So if you look closely, the ice is not out. And then when you pull this, ice cubes will come off. And so it's really cool that this is like an ice cube maker thing. Then it comes with 2 containers of milk. And they're made out of plastic and they cannot open either. Then it comes with 4 of these orange flavored soda, and it's like beverage soda, and it's a perfect size for the American Girl Ball. Then it comes with this pot that has flowers right here, and then inside, there's a little cap where it can come off, and inside is like a soup where like vegetables are in it and stuff, and it cannot come out. It's stuck in there, but this is very cute. If I can close it, there you go. And then it comes with 4 blocks of butter, and these are just butter and then just, the word butter on it. And these are made out of plastic, and they're just blocks of butter. Then we have this like Jello cake thing, and so it comes with this nice blue plate. And it's very smooth, and it's made out of plastic. Then it comes with this like Jello cake, and it has like some cherries maybe, and like leaves on it, and then like the Jello cake. And then here we have a cut up ham, as you can see, and it has a much detail on it, like decorated the plate. And this cannot come off anything, like I just dropped it, but nothing came off. So, and this is made out of plastic. And then lastly, these are very cool. This is the frozen TV dinner heat and serve macaroni with cheese. And then this box is the frozen TV beef and gravy heat and serve. And the last one we have is frozen TV heat and serve and chicken fried. So these are really cool because they're like boxes of meals. And usually there's boxes and nothing in them, but this is really cool, and it's very hard to open without ripping it. So there we go. So you can open the boxes, and inside are real trays of food. So let's open this up. like there's the same tray with like eggs and then like the soup with the vegetables in it, and also the chicken that's fried. And they're made out of plastic and they cannot come off, but those are very cool. Then we have this one. So here we have the same tray, the tray that's made out of plastic. Well, everything's made of plastic. Then there's peas with butter, I guess. And then the soup with the vegetables and a piece of butter. And then the beef and gravy. Then lastly, this one. So here we have the tin where it has peas with butter, carrot slices with butter, and macaroni and cheese. And the last thing we have are this box of ice pops. And they're orange flavored, as you can see, and they're like the frozen TV diner boxes. You can open them and there's food inside. So you can open them like this, and then inside there's popsicle. And so here is the popsicle. It only comes with one, so Maryellen can only have one popsicle. But this is the orange flavored popsicle. And it's made out of plastic, and it's really cool because it's see-through. So those are all the items that comes with Maryellen's refrigerator set. So now I'm going to be setting everything up into the refrigerator. So let's get started. Refrigerator set. And that's all today. Please comment down below, what do you think about Maryellen's refrigerator? Is it really cool, or is it a fail, bad item? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!